Hello, my dear lovely audience. I extend to you a warm welcome. This is MD Amanulla Talukder. Now, I'm going to share with you a tracking journey. In this journey, we will configure for Facebook, Google Ads, and GA4 also, and two part server side and browser part also. And in this tracking journey, we will see e-commerce tracking and landing page tracking also. We know very well what is e-commerce tracking and what is a landing page tracking. In e-commerce tracking, we will see view content, add to cart, view cart, apply coupon, remove from cart, initial checkout, purchase also. This seven thing is most common every e-commerce site. That's why I include all everything seven part. A landing page tracking depends on service base, and I have shortlist something: landing page view, user engagement time, scroll depth, phone number click, WhatsApp button click, lead from submission, and thank you page visit. And in this journey, we need lots of things: website, Google Tag Manager account, and Facebook Pixel, Google Ads account, and GA4 also. In this case, our first work is connect GTM and our website. This is our website, and now I'm going to Google Tag Manager, Google Tag Manager. This is my Google Tag Manager, and now I'm going to create a new account for this website. And first of all, I am going to give a name, and I give this name Shop Germinate IT. And let's see, this is my subdomain, Shop Germinate IT. And now I'm going to select my country. My country name is Bangladesh. Container name. Container name also I will give this container for web. That's why I will give web shop Germinate IT, and I will select web. After that, when we will going to track server side, when we will configure server side, that time we will create a server container. Now I'm going to create accept yes. Finally, our Google Tag Manager account is ready, and we need to go this website backend. That's why I'm going to backend for this website and log in into backend. Now we need a plugin. We will connect GTM with website by using a plugin. Now that's why I'm going to add a plugin, add new plugin, Google Tag Manager. If I give GTM, that time it will show. This is our plugin. Now I'm going to install it. Activate. Our plugin is activate. Setting Google Tag Manager ID. We need Google Tag Manager ID. We know very well this is our Google Tag Manager ID, and I'm going to copy it. Only this ID, not full script. And I'm going to give here. I'm going to save. Now it should be one. And in this part, we need some configuration in this app. Basic data, event scroll, integration, WooCommerce, ticket, cart content. This check. I'm going to check and customer data in data layer. It should check mark. Order data in data layer, check mark. Include shopping from revenue, no need. Now I'm going to click on save. Website backend, Google Tag Manager implement is done. Now we need to check it properly connect or not. That's why I want to use this extension. Now we see our Google Tag Manager account is connected. JKQ, this is also JKQ. Finally, we are connect our GTM with our website. After this part, we need Facebook Pixel ID. That's why I am opening a new tab and search event. Okay, I'm going to event manager. Now I'm going to create a new pixel for this website, and this is for web. Next, create a new dataset, name shop Germinate IT. Okay, create. Our pixel is ready. Set up meta pixel and install code manually. And I am going to copy this code and continue this, turn it on, continue, and even no need, go to pixel overview. If I go to settings, this is our pixel. Now before going to create a tag trigger variable, I need to configure some things, and for this section, event ID, I need this thing event ID. That's why I added this thing in our variable template. And we need another template, that is Facebook template. Facebook, this is Facebook pixel. I'm going to add to my workspace and add where added this thing. After that, I'm going to variable section, configure. This is my working process, and I love to check all this thing. It would be helpful for my full configuration journey. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to create my first tag, that is configure tag, and I'm going to click here, new tag, new, and configure, tag configure, and I'm going to select Facebook pixel. Few seconds ago we installed this thing, and now I add this thing, and we need this pixel ID, and again I copy it, and we should paste it here, pixel ID, and this is our configuration tag. That's why page view and more settings. Now I love to send one parameter, that is event parameter, event ID, with configure tag, and this is event ID, save it. This is event ID, and if I trigger all page, now I'm going to give a name. It should be professional. When anyone see this name, he will understand it is a Facebook config tag. And now I'm going to give this tag name FB config tag, and I'm going to save it. Finally, we have created our main config tag, FB config tag, and we should submit it, publish. Now we should say this tag is fire or not, and I'm clicking on preview section, and I'm going to event test. Our end goal is our every tag fire here. That's why I came event test section at Facebook business manager, and I'm going to give a name, our website name. This is our website. Okay, we got it, the tag assistant, and we see our FB config tag is fire. And if I see in our event manager test event section, we got the we got on page view, that is, and we got also event ID. I have completed our first config tag. Now I'm going to create our another tag, that is view content or view item tag. And if I view item, if I have to click on here, and this is our product name. If I go Google tag here and summary and hanging plant, this is this hanging plant, this is our category, hanging plant. If I go data layer, oh, one thing we didn't get, product name, price, and all everything didn't get on our data layer. That means we are missing one thing, and we should came our Google Tag Manager, and I must need to check this thing, track e-commerce, and I have to save it. Okay, if I go here and I need to reload on time. Now we are got the item, view item. This is our product, and we will configure all everything from here. And if I click here, our event name, e-commerce event name, view item. If I copy this, and I need to create a triggers, new triggers, config triggers, and custom event. I'm going to give this event name view item, and I'm going to give this name view item. Okay, save it. And we need more add to cart trigger, view cart trigger, apply coupon trigger, remove from cart trigger, title, initial checkout trigger, purchase trigger. That's why I'm going to create all trigger at a time. And if I go add to cart, that time we will get add to cart, and we will copy the event name. Event name is add to cart. Now I'm going to create another trigger, that is event custom event add to cart. Now I'm going to give a name, cart, add to cart, save it. If I go view cart, that time we'll get view cart. This event name is view cart. I copy it, and I'm going to create a new and custom event. I'm going to this view cart, and now proceed checkout. Proceed checkout, we will get begin checkout, event name, begin checkout. We'll create a new custom event, event checkout, begin checkout, begin checkout, save it, and last At last, if I click here, that time we'll get another event, that is uh, purchase. This is our purchase event name, purchase. And if I see our purchase is complete, begin checkout complete, remove from cart complete, view cart, add to item, view content, all is complete without apply coupon. In this website, I don't have any coupon, that's why I can't use this. I can't track this thing. And if I see purchase, and if I click copy it, then I will go tag section. After that, I will create a new tag and custom event. If I paste it here, and if I give a name per purchase and save it. Okay, now I'm going to create some variable. Facebook said when we will configure add to cart, that time we need to send some parameter, that is content ID, content type, that contents, and currency value. And now I'm going to create some object properties, that means variable. If I configure for purchase, that means included all everything, content ID. If I go here, this is content, that means item contents, and items for e-commerce data layer, and each item calls Facebook contents, and items, that content ID. Copy it and paste it, 0 items ID. And if I rename it item ID, this is item ID variable, and save it. After that, we need content type. Content type is product, we will give it product manually, no problem. And then contents, that means item. We need create another thing, another variable, that is data layer variable. If I click here, that means e-commerce dot items. Okay, if I get an items, okay, save it. Now we need currency. Currency is e-commerce dot currency bdt. I need to copy currency and copy data layer. If I click here, e-commerce dot currency, curency, currency, save it. And another thing is value. Number of item is not too much mandatory, that's why we will escape this thing. And value, we will set value for this value, value, and e-commerce value. We'll copy it. I'm going to create a new variable. Click here, data layer variable, and I'm pasting here e-commerce dot value. I'm going to rename it value. Save it. Now our main part is start. I'm going to create a view content tag. Okay, click here, Facebook, we need pixel ID, settings, copy it, paste it here, and this is a standard. And one thing, there all is a standard, there has all a standard event. Okay, now I'm going to view content. Just view content. This is view content. First, view content. In this view content, we need some variable, that is content ID, content type, contents, currency, value. Okay, we will send it. Okay, we give this thing, and I'm going to add some property. Okay, I have to give content ID, content type, contents, currency, value. Okay, and I love to give one thing, that is event name, event name. Okay, and now content ID, we will get item IDs, item ID. Content type, we will write it manually, product type content, and then contents, we'll find items, and then currency, and now value, and then event name. Event name is this event in view content, VIEW, view content, view content. I will give this name, and also it was configured event ID. And if I change this trigger when it will fire, that time I need to select view item. When anyone click here, that time our tag will fire. Okay, view item, save it. That time preview, continue. Our FB config tag is fire, and FB view content is not fire. If I view one item, that time it will fire. Okay, let's look at that. This tag is fire. Okay, and now if I check our event manager in Facebook, that time I need to clear everything. And if I click another item, that time it should came here. That is view content. Look at that. This is our content, that means item. It is product type, product came here, product, and content ID 89, and currency BDT, value 36. Now I'm going to create another tag, and I want to copy it, and now we are going to add to cart, create add to cart trigger. Let's say I remove it, add to cart. And if I need to change add to cart, and we need to see uh, here add to cart. Add to cart. In this add to cart, object parameters is need content ID, content type, content currency value. Okay, content content ID, content type, contents currency value, and all everything is we was configure our previous tag. That's why no need to configure again. Just I am going to change this event name only. Okay, this event name is add to add to cart, and also here is event ID available. Now if I select our appropriate view cart, add to cart. Okay, add to cart, our add to cart tag is configuration done. Okay, no need to preview. After completing all everything that time, after that we will preview. Now I want to click here, new or not new. I'm going to copy it, copy, and view cart, copy it, remove copy, view cart, and if I select event, okay, I will create it custom that time. View cart, okay, view cart. After that, if I say event Facebook, view cart is available, view content. Facebook don't want to get view cut, that's why he didn't add here. Okay, but we will send view cut, no problem. If I change it, view cut, okay, all everything is okay. View cut, save it. If I see next, we need to create again it custom, copy, remove from cart, custom, remove from cart. Okay, all everything is same, remove from cart, remove from cart. If I click here, remove it and add remove from cart, add it, save it. After that, oh sorry, initial checkout, copy it, and if I click here, okay, if I copy, initiate checkout, it is a standard event initiate checkout, and in this sector initiate checkout, initiate checkout also parameters is content ID, contents currency value, and all everything is pre built, and just I want to change it. Initial checkout, event name, event ID also here. If I remove it and begin checkout, okay, save it. After that I need to create our last tag, that is purchase. And purchase has a purchase it, and if I click here, purchase tag need some more information. Purchase content ID, content type, contents, currency value, and required. And this purchase also say need this thing, and we have already configured this thing. Just I'm going to give a parameter event name. Event name is purchase. Okay, now I'm going to remove it and select purchase. Okay, save it. Save it. Okay, submit it, publish, version name, web, Facebook, event set up. That I've done. Continue. Now I'm going to preview. Before going to preview section, I want to remove previous activity from here. Clear. Okay, now I'm going to click here. After that, continue. Our website is, our event is, okay, I need to refresh it. That time we'll get, okay, if I refresh our page, that time we see that our page view event is fire. Okay, action website, event name. Now I'm going to click here and I view on item, and our view item tag is fire. This tag is fire. If I click here, our view item tag is fire. Okay, after that, if I click here, add to cart tag will fire. Okay, that is, our tag is fire. And then if I check here, add to cart, this is our add to cart tag also is fire. And view cart, look at that, our view cart tag is also fire. If I click, our view cart tag is also fire. And then if I click, if I remove on item, that time our remove tag will be fire. Okay, we see our remove tag also fire, remove from cart. And if I click here, this is remove from cart tag also is fire. And now if I click here, proceed to checkout, that means checkout button, our checkout tag is also fired. If I click here, event manager checkout tag is also fired. And now I'm going to purchase order. Okay, our purchase tag also fired. Okay, if I click here, our purchase event also fired. If I click here, this is our purchase. And if you see, if you look at here, this is item ID number 78, and this ID is, and this is 78, 73, and there has multiple item, that's why came this type thing. Our all everything is clear, and where configure is very easy and very short time. Now we have complete our first browser site configuration is done. We are test all every tag and tag trigger variable is fired properly, and also we check on this thing event manager, and we see all everything is fired. This is our first part, and second part we will see server side tracking. I am highly requesting you please watch this our second part, and this second part I will discuss how to configure server side tracking. That's it for today.